want to be working for the one that values their teachers. Usually the one that values their teachers has a higher pay. That is usually what happens, not always the case. Hey, my name is Jenna Lee, and in my channel, I help you teachers build online teaching businesses and brands so that you can live life on your own terms. If that sounds like something that you want more of, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. As an online teacher, you want to be working for a company that values you and also pays you fairly. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the top 5 ESL platforms that value teachers and have the highest pay. The companies I'm going to be going over all require teachers to have an ESL certificate. That can be a TEFL, a TESOL, or a CELTA. And I have a discounted link for the TESOL below, so if you want to catch that discount, go ahead and check out my description. Keep in mind that the lessons for these companies are all pre-made. So this isn't a company where you create your own classes, you are just teaching a pre-made lesson. So the top company for pay and values teachers is Magic Ears. This platform has taken the online ESL industry by storm by offering teachers up to $26 an hour of pay. The requirements for Magic Ears are that you must have a bachelor's degree or higher, or have evidence that you are completing your bachelor's program. You must also be from the United States, Canada, South Africa, New Zealand, Australia, or the United Kingdom. With Magic Ears, you are teaching classes that have up to 4 students within them. The best part about Magic Ears is that you have a flexible schedule, which means that you can choose what hours to work, and there is no minimum or maximum required for you. And also they have a very flexible cancellation policy. They allow teachers on their platform to have up to 4 free cancellations that are within 10 to 30 minutes of your class. So you could potentially cancel right up to your class without a penalty. This is really good for emergency situations as a teacher. The second best ESL company with the highest pay is GoGoKid. With GoGoKid, your pay can range between $14 and $25 an hour, and they have some real good incentives. The requirements to work at GoGoKid are that you have a bachelor's degree or higher and be from the United States or Canada. You teach in a one-on-one setting and the classes are 25 minutes in length. And this is another company where you have a flexible schedule, meaning you don't have to teach a minimum number of hours per week. GoGoKid is one of my personal favorites. I just love their lessons and their platform because they're so interactive for the students. My third company with the highest pay is Vipkid. The pay ranges from between $14 and $22 an hour with incentives. They also require you to be from the United States or Canada and have a bachelor's degree and an ESL certificate. You can teach kids in a one-on-one setting, and now there are additional options to teach group classes. Again, with this company, the schedule is quite flexible because there's no minimum amount of hours you need to work each week. So you can set your schedule as you go. I especially love Vipkid because I worked for them. They were my first company, and I absolutely loved their short notice incentive of $2 extra per class. My top 5th company that values teachers and also has the highest pay is Palfish. Palfish actually has 2 types of jobs. One where you are free talking to children and adults and you can make up to $30 an hour, and the other, which is the official kids course. In this video, I'm specifically talking about the kids course. Palfish pays their teachers between $16 and $22 an hour, and they give incentives as well. With Palfish, you do not actually need a degree. They also allow teachers on their platform from other countries like the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, New Zealand, Ireland, and Australia. You still must have your ESL certificate, even though they don't require a degree. In the official kids course, you teach one-on-one to students. And they do actually have a minimum hours per week of only 3.5 hours, so that is not too bad. You can also make some extra cash on Palfish by choosing that free talk option as well. And one really cool thing about Palfish is that you teach with your phone. So if you don't have the money to get an expensive computer, well, this one's for you. And this is the real 5th top company, which is Wales English. Wales English pay is between $18 to $26 an hour. They require teachers to have a bachelor's degree. In order to teach with Wales English, you must be from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland. With Wales English, you teach 25 to 50-minute classes. You must also open at least 8 hours during Beijing times during the week. I have 2 extra bonuses because I have heard great things about these companies and I wanted to give them to you. Zebra English is another company that I've heard great things about, and they pay teachers between $16 and $26 an hour. And Q Kids, which is another great company that sets your schedule, pays you between $16 and $20 an hour. I believe when you're just starting your online teaching career or you are looking to diversify and add an extra company, that research is vital for you because some of these companies don't value teachers as much as others, and you want to be working for the one that values their teachers. Usually the one that values their teachers has a higher pay. That is usually what happens, not always the case. I wish you the best of luck in your search for online teaching companies. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.